Let's check this is go running. Hang on a second. It is! Oh, brilliant. I haven't been out for a ride for, God, about 4 weeks. I've been so busy working and stuff. I haven't been out for a ride. I hope everybody's doing alright. I want to thank everybody. Where's my bike gone? Oh, it's there. I want to thank everybody for subscribing to the channel. It's been amazing. 760 odd subscribers now. I've been playing with the bike, put some stickers on it, etc. I've got a new Power Bronze wind deflector at the front here, windscreen. Obviously it moves up and down electronically, but it has a lip. You can see the lip there, so it curves the air above your head, which is supposed to be really good. So I'm going to try that out because I haven't had a chance to try it out yet. That was my birthday present. But yeah, the bike's looking really good. Been carrying the bike on trickle charge. I've got a 10 metre extension. I've drilled a hole through the wall in the living room to the outside front garden where the bike sits. I got a waterproof IP66 housing, so I can feed that through. It's on a 10 metre cable, so I put the cable through drill the hole through the wall, put the cable through, and brought the cable out to the IP66 waterproof, and then I can just use my trickle charger that plugs into the bike. That way that keeps the battery charged and I've got no hassle then. But yeah, everything's looking cool. But brilliant, mate. I can't you know, appreciate how much you guys. I know I put a lot of hard work into the videos, etc. But to actually have, you know, in 6 months or so, we've gone up to nearly 800 subscribers. So that's brilliant. Right, I'm going to test this chain as well because I haven't been out for, like I say, 3 or 4 weeks, and so I haven't really had a chance to test that new chain. There's a spider web underneath the bike as it's been set. Checked the tyre pressures before I came out on the Bridgestone battle axe. I put 36 in the back and 32 in the front, which is more than adequate. But yeah, I'm going to test this chain and sprocket. I'm going to see how this windscreen. I'm getting old now. I'm 62 years old, so I mount my bike by just standing on the peg and mount it that way. It's a proper way of mounting a bike and dismounting anyway. So that's what I do now. Right, we'll go for a little ride, shall we? Like I said, that chain should does bring the actual RPM down by 500 RPM per gear, but it also gives you that, it's about 5 miles an hour, but it also gives you 5 miles an hour extra speed in every gear. Hey! So instead of, when I'm doing 60 on the motorway now, I'll be on doing 5,500 revs instead of 6,000 revs. Right, not coming, so off we go. We'll have a laugh, shall we, for a little bit. I've been out for 3 or 4 weeks, so I've forgotten how to ride the bike, and it's blinking cold as well. So, not forgotten how to ride the bike, you know what I mean. Just yes, it's gone colder. I've got some me waterproof leggings on and with Thinsulate waterproof gloves on to keep my hands warm, because it's definitely colder. You stay there, love. Well done. She had a look, she thought about it for a second. Don't know why I came this way for. Still. So I have a bike in it. Come on, love, you go first. It's going in there, so that's alright. So I can. I'm not going to go left, I think I'll go right. I've got all this traffic on a Sunday. People going everywhere, doing certain things. That was easy. seating. I don't think it's going to be, it's just going to be like normal, but it looks nicer, I think, anyway. So bought from a dealer in Jersey off eBay, £62 plus shipping. Looks better than the white plastic one anyway. The way they mapped it was higher, but on the bench it was getting slight vibration, so they've knocked down the horsepower. I think it's 39 horsepower instead of 45, just because the bike's just lovely to sit on. It's no vibrations.
No matter what you've been